Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing a sticker file and the server where you'll use it. You need a PNG or WebP image optimized under 256 KB. Keep dimensions around 128 to 512 pixels so Discord accepts it. Once you have the file, make sure you either own the server or have manage emoji/manage server permissions. If you don't, create a new server quickly. It takes seconds and gives you full control. Now that the file and server are ready, move to uploading. Next, upload the sticker as a custom emoji. Go to Server Settings, choose Emoji, then click Upload Emoji and pick your prepared PNG/WebP. Give it a short name. This becomes the colon name you type to insert it. Once done, confirm it appears in your emoji list. You can now use it in chat by typing name or picking it from the emoji picker. Remember, without Nitro, that custom emoji is usable primarily inside the server, unless others have Nitro. Finally, use the new sticker-turned emoji in messages and reactions by selecting it from the emoji picker or typing its name. Shortcut. If Discord rejects the upload, reduce the file size below 256 KB, convert to WebP, or crop to simpler content. These fixes solve most issues. If members can't see it, verify channel and role permissions and confirm they are in the same server. Remember, server boosts increase emoji slots if you need more. Troubleshoot with file size and permission checks first.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.